Yo, kill mobs, kill mobs, kill mobs, kill mobs.
Pwede engage yan to, Tero. Sa taas.
Sige, kay burn na ako hingi.
Okay. Yo, boys. Hood. Ay, no, si. Walk the gate, walk the gate, walk the gate. Hammer. Yo, sa 1D tank ka, roam around. Roam around. 1D
Ito, Tero.
Ayun,
Ayun.
yung door.
Oh, look southwest, boys. Be ready, ah. Southwest
Ito.
in 3, 2, 1. Boys, southwest, bend the wall, bend the wall, bend the wall. Too slow, too slow. Alright, alright. Take your cooldown. Yo, come northeast, ha, come northeast. Come northeast, we walk the other gate. Come here northeast, come northeast. We walk the other gate. We have 1D tank roaming around, right? Around that. Yo, boys, look southeast, ha. Hindi niya, kita mo lang ulit.
Sige.
Hammer, boys.
DA4 yung LCL.
Pero confident din. 2-0 to 6.
Clear guards, QW. Clear guards. Hindi, osing.
Go sila.
Yo, break both walls. Open right. Hammer, other side. Yo, coalition is here, ah. Okay. Flapping.
Pwede mo kay Damper pagkabasan.
Okay. Boss, kami sa atas. Yo.
Hindi kumapit.
Kill mo medium guards taro.
Ay, kill guards sa QW guards, boys. DPS. You're not doing anything in QW. Be active. Be proactive, guys. Be proactive. Kill guard southeast. Si Pammering. Pwede ka siguro mo, ano dito? Okay, south. Yo, heal. Dodge na, no. Come southeast. Kill the guards.
Hindi kayo.
Yeah, they play.
Yo, camera sa west again, boys. We cleared both sides. Yes, right. Pwede ka dito kill na pa. Position ka. Boys, take space northwest. Walk in a little bit. Ayan. Pwede kang kidnap.
Wait. 2 seconds.
Awesome, pull mo nga sa chest from here sa is dito sa may wall dito sa akin. Diyan. Yo, dodge the barrel,
Wait
please.
naman. Ay, ito.
Ito. Was ready and engage him. Oh my god. Wait. Come northeast. Wait. Boys, behind the wall in the east. Here, you see this? Wait. Hold. Stabilize, boys. Ready. Stabilize. Wait. Boys, ready. Stabilize. Walk in a little bit. Kill the guards. QW. Boys, look in the north. In the GA. 3, 2, 1. Boys, in north. Nice one. Stabilize.
No. Take carry, engaging, break.
Not yet.
Wala pa.
Stabilize northwest, boys. Come here. Come northwest a little bit.
I think they have one engage.
Click. Yo, pull the guards. Okay,
Ito, Ter, may
kidnap.
nakidnap.
Kiligi, boys. Pull engage on him after G. Okay, higiga. Wait. Yo, boys, ready. Wait. Also, mag-dip ka na. Go deep. Walking a little bit. Nice bomb.
Outside.
Yo, spread now. Spread. Wait, spread, boys. They're engaging inside in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow.
Nice engage.
Boys, ready, ah. Boys, defensive now. Come here northwest. Everyone
Guards
northwest.
pressure tara, guards pressure.
Come northwest, boys. We need to pull the guards, boys. Yo, heal northeast. Heal north, boys. Drop UD here, boys. Brawl the people inside of you. QW, these people in you, boys. Okay, boys. Walking.
4
Please.
seconds.
Walking. Okay, 4 seconds. Okay.
Ready.
Keep on, boys. Ready. Keep on, and the chest, boys. Ready, look on the chest. In 3, 2, 1, boys. On the chest.
Demon.
Nice one.
South,
Demon,
mag-engage
nice one.
sila.
Good shit.
South.
Nag-engage na.
Okay, boys. Spread. Come northwest. Pull out northwest.
Last engage
Boys, the
there.
barrel is fucking hurt. Yo, northwest. Taking
Nasa
damage.
ng barrel.
Yo, drop UD on the stairs, please. Nice one, boys. Stabilize here.
Ito, BW nito.
Yo, QW, people inside. Walking.
One disarray sila tier. One disarray.
One disarray, okay.
No kill guards.
Kill guards, boys. Keep healing. Drop UD, boys. Drop UD. Boys, spread now, spread now, spread now, spread.
Engaging sila,
Boys, look
demon.
south, look south,
Demon,
east,
demon, demon.
After cleric in 3, 2, 1, boys on me, shallow. Oh my god, nakapag-giga. Okay, nice one. Good shit, boys. Come northwest, boys. Nice one. Come northwest, boys. Pressure them on northwest. Boys, this one the healer almost dead on me. Nice one, boys. Spread now. Keep spreading, boys. Spreading, please don't die. On the barrels, okay? Spread. Nice one. Boys, be ready, 4 seconds on me. Yo, hold. Be ready on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow. Come northeast, east. Chase them east. Chase them east.
Peer, kailangan nata balikan yung isang castle. Ipipit
Okay
doon
lang.
ng OWA.
West
Oh, engage.
Ano ba yung coma? Yo, kill Igi. Yo, after cleric, drop E. 3.
Grabe, Luigi, ba't ka lumabas?
Yo, need healer southwest gate. The mid chest.
Men, nandito yung cráneo, men. Saan kayo?
Yo, be careful.
Ano ka,
Pull out here. If you're
Dyan.
here on the crown, we pull out. We out.
Gagi. Uy,
Tara,
ginagawa
pick
nito.
na lang natin.
PvP.
May nag-lag
We just flip.
Naglago
Get
na
out of the castle if you're in the outside of the
Tagalog
gate.
keeper.
Go inside again, boys. Ando ba yung kowa?
Oo, pipit down nila.
Bobo ka talaga, Urios.
Sige, pick na natin to.
Kill.
Kill mo na yung gates. Uy! Patayin nyo na yung Lord.
Yo, kill the Lord, guys. Kill the Lord, please.
Sa video, huwag ka mag-click ng gate kapag hindi natin yung castle kasi di mamabalik.
Si Osong, ba't namatay?
Namatay ako, tangina. Si Proplat tumakbo din.
Ano ba yan?
Sige, eh.
Laki nyo na. Hindi natin mahabol si Urios dun eh.
Mag-PM sa